I'm Katharina Spurling-Kaffl, the wife of the late Slum Spurling, the creator of the Light-Life tools, and I'm also president and CEO of IXL, the only manufacturer for the Slum Spurling Light-Life tools. Now, the month of August is usually filled with a lot of fun, barbecues, campfires and such, but for many people, especially in California, but also some in Colorado and the rest of the nation, are severely affected by the fires. Now, some lost loved ones, and our heart goes out to you, as well as all of you who lost your homes or had to be evicted or just really suffering under the smoke and the fires. And I know roads are blocked, and it's just a really devastating situation. I don't watch TV, but I know and heard enough to just makes my heart go out to you, and really hoping we find a way to help you. Now, and here I want to talk about our harmonizers. All of you that are not in the fires, affected by the fires, have a harmonizer. Please use your harmonizer. Put your harmonizer in a bowl of water, put some shells around it, activate it with the CD, and shortly we will have a picture on our website, and put your intention in there to bring rain. You know, we have, that's a way we can help, and you can put the map of the area you want to address, or general, the US, or especially California, and put the harmonizer right on the map, and put your intention in there that the rain is coming, that the winds are calming down, so that, or the smoke. You know, we have had many reports of people that activated the harmonizer and it took care of a lot of the smoke so they could breathe again, because that's also horrible for you if your respiratory system is affected, that you cannot even breathe anymore in all the smoke. So please, please use your harmonizers and help the people. And I mean, the harmonizers are radionic devices, so if you put your prayers in there, your prayers go out, and if the more we are doing together, the more we have a chance to affect it and help the people that are affected, and help to calm down the fires and bring an end to this devastating situation. So this is my call for you this month of August 2018. Please, please put your intention in there that the fires come down, that the people are helped, and that we have rain, and that the drought is over and no more danger of fires. Okay, thank you so much.